Today I want to show you how to create a spreading solution of an order in Autocost. When all the markers of your order are placed and the lengths of each marker and their efficiencies have been transferred, you can create the spreading solution by clicking onto the Spreading button. The spreading solution is created automatically by using the algorithm that is set in your parameters. These parameters are displayed in tab Spreading of your local order parameters. You can change the spreading type easily by switching the options in the drop-down menu. This is a stepped solution. And this is a solution as planned. You will see each table of the spreading solution with the info of the length of the marker, the total fabric length needed for the marker, the overlaps, and the number of plies. You can continue your learning experience by watching my next video.